Hi, today I want to teach you all about iPad annotation apps, and there are several apps that are available for iPads that are free that you can use to annotate PDFs. So you can open any PDF resource that you have using one of these apps and have some interactive capabilities with it. So let's take a look at that.
All right, so the one I'm going to show you today is PDF Viewer, which again is a free app. There's several different kinds of these apps that do similar things, but I'm going to show you this one. So the way that you get your document into PDF Viewer, you could email it to yourself, or you can download it straight from the source. So this I just downloaded right now from TPT. Then there's this box with the arrow coming out of it, so you'll click on that and then select Copy to PDF Viewer. You can organize your things in different files if you want to. Then it should open up. You will be able to scroll through the pages to find the one that you want to do. Once you do that, you can click on the document and there's a box with a little pencil. If you click that, you can also see all these tools open up on the side. The one I'm going to show you today is this pen. You can change the color if you want to. And then you're ready to go. So you or the student can write directly on the activity. In this case, you could mark off the boxes as the student says the words and finds the pictures, and so on and so forth. There's also the ability to import your own images. You can type, add words if you think of another word that you wanted to add. The student could type it in there. So a lot of different options, a lot of different ways to use this with many different resources as long as it's a PDF.
Okay, so as you can see, it's really easy to just open a resource up using one of those annotation iPads and use things like drawing tools for your student to engage with the PDF. And so it's super simple. There are several of them that are free, that are available. This was just one example, so you can check it out and let me know what you think.